Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Burns and welcome back to the Adium Tech YouTube channel. Today we have a really cool unboxing straight from Tablo. Tablo is a Canadian company who makes DVRs that lets you plug your antenna into your network attached storage or hard drive and then use it over the network so you can watch your recordings or live TV on any device like your Roku, Apple TV, or any computer. It's really cool. And so this is their brand new Tablo Quad, straight from Amazon. It's been on back order because it's been such a really well thrown out device, really well put together device that people are really wanting. So let's get started. Now getting into the box, let's just open it up using our handy dandy knife here. Open it up. Boy, this box from Amazon is all trash. But as long as the Tablo is safe, all is good. Alright, set that aside. So here is the actual box from Tablo themselves, Tablo Quad. It has USB and SATA, so there's an actual internal drive bay that you can open up and put your SATA drive in there. And this is 4 tuners, so you can record 4 things at once, record 3 things at once, and watch one program. And it's pretty versatile. There's enough tuners for a nice big family who usually watches TV. Now, most of the time, you're probably just going to record your show and watch it later. So this is really convenient for cutting the cord. This is really mainly attached to people who just want to cut the cord. Now, getting into the box. First, let's just rock around the box. They're showing you this has antenna, USB, Ethernet, SATA, power. Comes with all that stuff. On the back, it tells you how you can hook it up to your router, and then just immediately set it up and start enjoying your favorite locally aired content. So let's open it up. There's 2 tabs here. Now I use an Apple TV or Apple TVs throughout our whole home, so that's what we'll be connecting to. So it says, stop, do not return this product to the store. If you have a problem, contact Tablo. They're really good at getting back to you and helping you resolve issues. And we have a quick start guide here. Tells you basically what to do, connect it up, and get started. And they're available on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, Android TV, Xbox, Nvidia Shield, LG, WebOS, Windows 10, Android, Google Chrome, and Apple, macOS, and so on. So they're pretty much on everything. That's really good compared to something like, I believe it's not Blackmagic, but I don't recall. See, we don't know anymore. They're not relevant. Tablo's really beaten most of the do-it-yourself DVRs to the punch. So here's the actual Tablo Quad. We right now have the Tablo 4 tuner, the one that came before this. And the reason we're upgrading this stage is because this has faster processing, faster response times, and gigabit Ethernet. The other one that we have is only 10100. This is really going to help you launch faster recordings and watch your TV in seamless interface, seamless streaming, seamless everything. So on the back we have the antenna input, we have a reset button, we have USB, I believe it's just USB 2.0. We have a gigabit Ethernet, finally. Should have had that in the first place, but I'm glad that they're doing it now. And we have our power. And you can see the cutout right here for the SATA 2.5-inch bay. So you can put any hard drive, or in my case, I'll be putting an SSD, and this is 1 terabyte. Should be pretty big enough, pretty sizable for just what we need to do. We just record local programming, so it's nothing big, and so that should help us out with speed. It'll be blazingly fast. On the bottom you can see it's full of air vents. Now the Tablo 1, like I'm going to call it, Tablo 4 tuner had a lot of overheating problems. The bottom was actually the heatsink, and I'd actually put a fan on top to get it to cool down. And so this is where the Tablo Quad now has vents all over it. So this thing's going to stay cool even if it's inside your media cabinet. Now I do see that they were going to put a fan here, and I read somewhere that they opted not to because the thermals were okay. And so I'm gonna see how that performs. Otherwise, I'm gonna get an external fan, just because it's gonna be in my immediate cabinet with a bunch of other devices. But this should perform, even at high temperatures, really well. So it shows my serial number, MAC address. I'll enter that in to get my account started later on. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty light considering what it is. And it's just plastic. And it's just gonna sit there like a cable box and record your local program and your favorite shows. So we can set that aside real quick. Now in the box, there's a plastic piece to take out. They generously give you an Ethernet cable. Is it Cat 6? Or it's probably Cat 5e, which is fine. Ooh, it is Cat 6. Well done, Tablo. And we have your power adapter. Pretty plain old, what is it? 12 volt, excuse me, power adapter. And nothing else in the box. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Tablo Quad, their brand new 4-tuner DVR with gigabit Ethernet, faster streaming, and faster processing power. This thing will hopefully be a beast in our media entertainment room, and it'll connect across our network, across our 7 Apple TVs, and we can watch many, many shows for years to come. Now, this device is really in demand right now, so if you can get your hands on it, I really recommend it if you're going to cut the cord. We already have the Tablo 4-tuner, and this is what it's going to be replacing. So I highly recommend the Tablo Quad. Give it a shot today, and thanks for watching. You and me,